Okay, so we'll cover the service procurement process. So let me. So what is the service procurement process? Process. So service procurement process means in this way the company procures some services, right? So before we have completed like different procurement processes of different material, right? So this is the service procurement. That means if the company wants to purchase some services, let examples company having different computers in different department, right? And due to there some issues, he the company called a like a mechanic, and he will give some time like for 5 days or 10 days, and for that the company will pay for any services. It's just an example for any like a repairing work or anything. So for this process we have to do the service procurement. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes. So in this process what are the steps we have to
सर
follow?
सर सर एक
Yes.
सेकंड। सर जो माइरो किया था अभी हमने हमने पोस्ट किया।
Mhm.
सर उसमें तो मेरे एक भूल गया था एक देना जो प्लान्ड और प्लस अनप्लान्ड डिलीवरी होता है ना वहाँ पे। तो
Mhm.
फ्रेट चार्जेस तो वहाँ पे मैंने ये मतलब डाला था। तो
Mhm.
दोनों तो मैंने सिलेक्ट नहीं किया था तो पोस्ट कैसे हो गया सर मतलब?
वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दो लाइन आइटम आया था। प्लान आपका जो डिलीवरी प्राइस है ना, वो आया था
यस।
वहाँ पे। अगर आप MIR 4 में जाके चेक करोगे, डिस्प्ले करोगे, वो
यस।
लाइक इनवॉइस को आपको पता चलेगा। गेटिंग?
ओके।
वहाँ पे दो
ओके।
लाइन आइटम आया था, एंड ऊपर में हम लोग जहाँ पे था एक मोर अलोकेशन में जाके जहाँ पे एक एक चूज करते हैं कि लाइक फॉर द मटेरियल प्राइस और फॉर द डिलीवर प्राइस, वहाँ पे ना दोनों चूज होकर था। गेटिंग? You should go to once. Yeah. So service procurement समझ में आया? What is the service procurement?
यस, यस।
That is the procurement of different services for the company, right? Okay. So let's go for the steps. What are the steps we have to follow? First, we will create a service master with T code AC03. That is the T code. Then after we will create PO, मतलब purchase order with T code ME21N. Then after we will create entry sheet, service entry sheet with T code ML81N, and then do the Miro, do the invoice with the T code MIRO, right? So these are the
सर इधर
steps.
सर
Yes.
इधर जीआर नहीं करेंगे मतलब?
So here we have put the another thing, service entry sheet, right? Service entry sheet is equal to the GR, because we are not receiving any material over here, right? Are you receiving any material?
नो।
No. Then how you will receive, right? So you will not do any good receipt document over here, right? You have to do the service entry sheet. Getting?
यस।
Okay. So let me log in my screen. Okay, so first of all, we will do the service master in AC03. So go to AC03. Then after this screen will appear. Then you have to click on create new service. This one is the symbol to create the new service. So click on that. Then after what you will do, you will not change anything from the this one. Then you have to put the service name. Let example, I just put the name Jiten house repairing work. Right, this is the service name. I just put the service name. I just save the service name also for my This is the service name, and then after I just choose the service category. In service category, the standard one is the SRV1. As per we have chosen like a different document type in a purchase order and all. For this, we have to choose the SRV1, the general service. So I just choose a general service, then put the base unit of measurement. So let example, I just choose D for day. How many day the person is working for the company, that is the unit of measurement, that is D. Then click enter again. Then after what I will put, I just put the valuation class. In normal in the normal material master, as per we are giving the like valuation class, here we have to choose the valuation class, and that is the standard one is 3200. Then after what I have to put, and then everything is fine, just I put the name and unit of measurement, then here valuation class, then click enter. Then after I just save it. So now I have saved the number like a service master, and this is the service master number. This is the service master number. Service master number. So understood.
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to change this, if you want to change any service master, you have to go to this one. Switch between display and changes. You can do the any changes if you want to put anything, right? You can change in this way. So everything is fine. Let me save this again. Okay. So now I have to go for the purchase order with ME21N. Go to purchase order, then put the vendor number over here. So we have created the like अभी क्या क्रिएट किया यहाँ पे एक सर्विस मास्टर क्रिएट कर दिया, एंड आई जस्ट चूज द वेंडर मास्टर. I have previously I have created a vendor master. This is the vendor master at example, but you can create a vendor master also. So I just put the vendor master. Then after I have to put the purchasing organization. मेरा सिस्टम में सारी चीज़ें डिलीट हो गया है, राइट, तो इसलिए मैं नया एक बनाया था उसमें मैं कर रहा हूँ. Okay. So put the purchase organization group and company code as we have previously entered in the purchase order. Then after what you will do, you will choose account assignment category as K. You have to put the account assignment category as K and item category as D. Remind, account assignment category is K, that means for the cost center, right? In which department we are going to purchase the service, that indicates to the cost center. And item indicates to item category indicates to D. D means service. Here D means service. So put the D over here. Then after here we are not purchasing any material, we are purchasing the services, right? So here what you will do, you have to just put the service name over here. So I just copy this, right? So then after I just put the short text as our service name. Then after here put the quantity as a 1, then delivery date put as the delivery date, and the net price you can put like let example 3000 per day. And then after put the plant, let example I just put the plant as a 01 and put the storage location as 1000. Getting क्या क्या put किए, account assignment category K, item category D, and then short text of the service name, and then PO quantity is 1, and net price is 3000, and plant and storage location. Just put this, then click enter. Then enter the currency. Yes, so currency is INR. Click enter. Now what you will do, here you have to put the service number. So what was the service number we have created? This was the service number. So then you have to put the service number, otherwise you can sort the service number from here also. So I just put the service number over here. Then I just put the quantity, how many quantity or how many days we need the service. Let example, we just want 10 days of the service for the house repairing. So I just put the 10 days over here. Then after click enter again. So now what I will put here, I will put the cost center. So put the cost center you know how to create, right? KS
Yes.
01 KS 01 में जाके कॉस्ट सेंटर जो भी क्रिएट किए होंगे आप यहाँ पे पुट करोगे कॉस्ट सेंटर. तो क्लिक एंटर अगेन, देन अगेन देन गो बैक here, enter a net, enter a price. Okay, so I just put the price over here, 3000 I have taken. So gross price is 3000. Click enter. Then after, just here I have to put a GL account. So I have to put the cost center first. This is the cost center again. And let example I just put the GL account, this one. मे बी आपका स्क्रीन में ना ऑटोमेटिकल जेल अकाउंट आ सकता है, राइट? अभी इसी सर्वर में नहीं आ रही क्यों, बट यस आई जस्ट पुट ए GL account and then cost center. Then click continue. Then enter the tax code. What was the tax code? This was the tax code I have put. Then click enter. Okay. Then check. Now everything is fine. So I can save the PO. So this is our PO number. समझ में आया जितन?
हाँ सर.
ओके. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या क्या पुट करना है एज ए परचेज ऑर्डर. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट KD एज अ आइटम कैटेगरी एंड अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी आपको पुट करना है, राइट? Then you have to put the cost center. Then first you have to put the short text over here, right? And वहाँ पे क्वांटिटी आप वन चूज करोगे. नॉर्मल पीओ में क्या हम टोटल क्वांटिटी डाल रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे वन डालोगे. डिलीवर डेट डालोगे. नेट प्राइस यहाँ पे डालना जरूरी नहीं क्योंकि वो 00 हो जाएगा, राइट? हम लोग जो सर्विस नंबर जहाँ पे पुट करते हैं वहाँ पे आप प्राइस डाल सकते हो, ग्रॉस प्राइस जो भी होगा. एंड यहाँ पे प्लांट एंड स्टोरेज लोकेशन एंटर करोगे. गेट इट?
Yes.
Okay. So PO has been created. Now let's go for the service entry sheet with T code ML81N. ML81N. I just put the N over here. ठीक है, ML81N. Enter. Now this is the service entry sheet page. So click on other purchase order because the purchase order is viewing over here. That may be a previous one. So click on other purchase order over here. Then put the purchase order, your purchase order number over here. Then click enter. Now my purchase order number has been came over here. Then click on create. Here the create entry sheet symbol is present. So click on create. Then after give the short text. So this is the service entry sheet entry sheet for Jitin, right? Jitin serves service one. Right, you just give the short text over here. Then after, what you will do here, you have to put the service number. So you don't need to put manually. So click just over here, click here, then click on service selection. आप ऐसे जस्ट आप एक लाइन आइटम में से एक बार क्लिक करोगे, फिर आप क्लिक करोगे सर्विस सिलेक्शन नीचे. तो सर्विस सिलेक्शन में क्लिक करोगे. क्लिक करने के बाद यहाँ पे परचेज ऑर्डर नंबर आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, राइट? सो यहाँ पे एक चेक बॉक्स है जो कि लिखा हुआ है अडॉप्ट फुल क्वांटिटी, कि जितना क्वांटिटी है उसको अडॉप्ट करना है. जस्ट क्लिक ओवर दैट, देन कंटिन्यू. सो हियर service number came automatically and price and all came automatically. Then select the line item, then click on services, राइट? सो अभी सर्विसेज में क्लिक किए. अभी देखो यहाँ पे एक एरर मैसेज ऐसा आ रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, आप जस्ट लाइन आइटम सिलेक्ट करोगे. यहाँ पे जो हम अभी क्रिएट किए सर्विस एंट्री सेट उसको रिलीज करना है. तो यहाँ पे एक सिंबल है फ्लैग एक्सेप्ट के लिए. तो वो फ्लैग के सिंबल को क्लिक करोगे जस्ट एक्सेप्ट के लिए. सो नाउ एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. देन क्लिक एंटर अगेन. right? Then save it, right? So service entry sheet number has been created, and service entry sheet number is mentioned in the top, not in the number, right? This is the transporting request number, but exact service entry sheet number is this one in the top. So copy the service entry sheet number. So service entry sheet number is दिस वन, राइट? सो हमारा सेकेंड स्टेप अभी कंप्लीट हो गया. सो कम टू द इनवॉइस राइट नाउ. सो अभी हम लोग सर्विस कर लिए. सो कम टू द माइरो फॉर द इनवॉइसिंग, राइट? सो देन यू हैव टू पुट द इनवॉइस डेट ओवर हियर. I just put the date. Then after I have to select the tax code. This is my tax code. Then over here you can put the purchase order number over here. Otherwise you can put the service entry sheet number over here. Here there is the option service entry sheet. So I just choose the service entry sheet, and I have copied the service entry sheet number. I just put the service entry sheet number over here. Then click enter. Now go to the payment tab. So baseline date is coming automatically. So go to the basic data. Then click on calculate tax. So my tax has been calculated. So I just have to copy the tax amount, then put over here, then click enter, right? So everything is fine now. Then go to simulate, right? So here vendor account is credited and the GL account is debited, and then loss of revaluation account is debited. So then go to post. समझ में आया? दिस इज द इनवॉइस नंबर.
सर हम पीआर भी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं ना सर सर्विस में?
हाँ, PIR भी आप कर सकते हो. नहीं, सर्विस के लिए PIR नहीं हो सकता है. PIR के लिए आपका, आप कैसे करोगे सर्विस के लिए? सर्विस का नाम नहीं है, क्योंकि PIR जो होता है ना वो मटेरियल के लिए होता है. आप अगर जाओगे यहाँ पे PIR स्क्रीन ME11, right? So you have put the vendor number here. There is no service number here. You have to put the material, right? So material number में वो नहीं लेगा, वो सर्विस नंबर है. Getting?
यस.
Okay, so if I will go to the purchase order to visualize, so MA23N, click enter. So हमारा परचेज ऑर्डर क्या था? दिस वन था, राइट? यस. सो देखो यहाँ पे सर्विस एंट्री शीट हम लोग बनाए, राइट? यहाँ पे प्राइस, गुड रिसिप्ट एंड इनवॉइस, सर्विस एंट्री शीट सब बनाए. गेटिंग? इन द परचेज ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री टैब में वो सारी चीज़ दिखाएगा. इफ विल गो टू AC05. Let example go to AC05 list processing service master selection of the services, right? Here let example we have to put activity number, list processing service master selection of services, key material group, service category, division rated. एक मिनट. AC06, click enter. Selection of the service. Okay, what was the material group? This was, so I don't think this was. And also
टीए था सर.
okay, I think क्या था?
टीए
सर्विस ग्रुप था, टीए.
सर्विस ग्रुप और मेटल
यस,
ग्रुप था टीए
हाँ मेटल टीए था.
सर.
ऑटोमेटिकल कुछ है शायद. किस वन था?
नो.
नो. आप ऐसे ना, आप यहाँ पे जो भी सर्विस ग्रुप क्रिएट किए होंगे, जो भी मटेरियल ग्रुप भी आप डाल सकते हो वहाँ पे, ठीक है? डालोगे उसमें जितना सारी आपका हुआ होगा, कितना सर्विस एंट्री शीट बनाए होंगे, सर्विस मास्टर बनाए होंगे ना, वहाँ पे ऐसे दिखाएगा. गेटिंग। अगर मैं यहाँ पे डिटेल्स में जाऊँगा ना, वहाँ पे सारे डिटेल्स आ जाएगा ऐसे। गेटिंग। आपका शायद तो अभी जो हम लोग क्रिएट किए 0007 था आई थिंक। 0007 था आई थिंक। 7 ओनली 7 था क्या? तो यहाँ पे ऐसा चेक कर सकते हो, राइट। अब देखिएगा, समझ में आ गया सर्विस मास्टर। वहाँ पे मोस्ट
Yes,
इम्पोर्टेंट इज आप टू टेक द अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरीज के एंड आइटम कैटेगरीज डी। ओके।
yes.
So go through it. Next class we will go for the consignment process.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just sharing